In WordPress, there are many things you can edit about a post without actually editing the post using the quick edit feature. If you hover over a post in the admin here, you can see quick edit. And the things I'm going to change on the screen are I'm going to give this post a category and I'm going to change the author of this post. So let's click quick edit. And here you can see we can change the title, the slug, the publish date, author, password, categories, tags, comments and pings, and the status. So I'm going to add this one to announcements and remove uncategorized and click update. And there we are. And this one I'm going to change to be Amanda as the author. So I click here and go to Amanda and click update. And that's much quicker than opening the full editor just to change those little things.